So I would like to invite everyone to stay tuned with us. I have been blabbing at you for quite a few videos and telling you, how to use your machine a little bit better, because I think sometimes the other videos that are online sort of assume that you know some of these things. So I'm trying to make sure that you understand what all of your buttons mean and just how much you can do with these machines. But now it's time to get down and dirty and roll up our sleeves and start working on a project together. So what we've done is I have picked out a pattern that is just perfect for what we want to do, and we are going to cut and prepare all of this using our scan and cut machines, and you can see at the end just how valuable a machine that this really is, and it really does become an accessory to your sewing and embroidery machines. So this will be available online along with a in-depth supply list. So please go in and download this. Do print it out and print out the supply list and get all of your supplies gathered. You do need this to be printed out because we will be scanning these appliques and so on. And we will also be creating our blocks and other items that you need to have cut. So, big forewarning, and it's also written on the supply list. Gather your fabrics, but do not pre-cut. We are going to be cutting all of our fabric using our scan and cut machines. And you will need the fabric mat and another, either a very sticky low tack mat, or a sort of sticky standard tack mat, but something that your webbing will stick to. So you'll need those two mats. It would be helpful if you had both of the fabric and the standard blades, but if you don't have a machine that will do the fabric, then the standard blade will be fine. And so if you don't have a fabric mat, that's fine too. We'll do, hopefully you have one that's dedicated for fabric and it has the fabric tack sheet on it. So even if you don't have one of the DX models, we can still, show you how to do this. So I hope you will join us, because this is where we're really going to put to use all of the things that we've been learning and talking about. We are starting this on November 1st, and it will probably be somewhere between, 45 minutes to an hour long video, but we will take you through all of the steps for all the cutting, and then you'll have all the instructions for how to assemble it. So, see you on November 1st. Bye!